SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to make an alarm vibrate only on an iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to set up an alarm on your iPhone so that it doesn't make any sound, but that it still vibrates, then you have the option to do so. You can set up an alarm like this by opening the Clock app. You can then choose the Alarms tab at the bottom of the screen, and now you can either create a new alarm by tapping the plus button at the top right, or you can edit an existing alarm by tapping the edit button at the top left, then choosing the alarm that you want to modify. Now you just need to choose the sound option on the edit alarm screen, and then you're going to be able to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list of alarm sounds, and you can choose the none option. Now that's going to stop the alarm from making any sounds. So then if you scroll all the way back up to the top, you're going to see that there's a haptics option here. So you can just tap on the haptic or vibration pattern that you want the alarm to make, and then it's going to play a brief sample of that vibration haptic alert. So once you have the vibration that you want to use, simply go back to the main alarm screen, and then you can tap the save button at the top right corner of the screen.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.